When I was a kid, I got really, really into comics, but in my early teens, I started to get more interested in other things like video games. Well, actually, basically, it was just video games. And I slowly stopped really being interested in Tintin and Asterix and the Beano and the Dandy that I'd been reading when I was a child. The way I got back into comics really were down to two things. One, Spider-Man 2, and this book here. This is Herobear and the Kid, The Inheritance by Mike Kunkel, who, as well as working in comics, has done animation work for the likes of, I think, Nickelodeon, Disney, those kind of the big dogs in the world of animation. But yeah, I know him for comics, and specifically Herobear and the Kid. I was in my living room one day and I saw that Spider-Man 2 was coming on, so I watched Spider-Man 2. And I wasn't very captured by a lot of films in my early teens. As I say, very into video games, not really much into anything else. But watching Spider-Man 2, I was really taken with the story. I really got into it, and I thought, wow, Spider-Man's a comic. Oh, I should buy some American comics, because I'd never really got into American comics. It'd been European stuff and British things. So I went with my dad to Liverpool, and we went to a comic shop, and I found Herobear and the Kid. I read Herobear and the Kid, really, really enjoyed it, and that really got me into the world of comics again. You know, I discovered American comics. I discovered Mike Kunkel's website and the forum that was part of that, and I got interested in other comics, and that led me to Bone by Jeff Smith, and I got back into Asterix and Tintin eventually, and so many other comics. So I really attribute Herobear and the Kid and Spider-Man 2 to getting me back into comics. And today I'm going to open something that's very exciting to me, which is the long-awaited sequel to The Inheritance, and also The Inheritance as well, in the Herobear and the Kid Heritage, which is a book that was kickstarted in October of 2018. I donated to its kickstarting, and it's now finished, and it's here, and I'm going to open it, and I'm going to see what other goodies are inside. I completely forget what else is in there. So let's have a look. So, big box here. Nice sketch. There we go. Another box. Right. Here we go. So there's an envelope. There's an envelope there with a funky Herobear and the Kid sticker on the front. There's an envelope of some kind. And then this will be the book itself. Ooh. Some buttons. That's cool. There's the book. And some other things as well. Alright, let's have a look. Let's start with this. What is this? Ooh. What is this? Wow, lots of stuff. Right. So we've got bookmark. Very nice. We've got a little sticker thing or something, I think. We've got a trading card of some kind, I think. And it has some history of Herobear and the Kid on the back. Nice. There is a wooden bookmarky type thing. Very cool. I think think maybe you're supposed to stick these in the book. I don't know. But that's cool. I like that. And a postcard. Really fun. I love Mike Kunkel's style. It's very it's Disney-esque, but it's unique as well at the same time. It's got a unique flair to it. And I like getting all these little bits and bobs in Kickstarters. They just, I don't know, they just make it more special, more interesting. Okay, we've got this envelope thing. What is in here? Okay, we've got, ooh, I think this is an original drawing on a little piece of card. That's cool. That's nice. We've got another postcard type thing. This is a cover of one of the issues of when Herobear and the Kid originally came out in issue format. And then we've got another postcard of one of Mike Kunkel's other books, which is The Origin of ABCs. So I think it's like Stone Age ABCs or something like that. I don't know. I don't have that book. And then we've also got some other things. Wow, there's so much in this Kickstarter. So many things. My goodness. PB&J 12-month calendar. So it's different cartoons. We've got another postcard. Some stickers. Some Herobear and the Kid stickers. And a print. That's really fun. That's really cool. Okay. Finally, we've got the book itself. So there we go. There we go, that's really cool. So it's got illustrations from the comic all around on the slip case. And then the book itself here, which is really nice. Really, really thick as well. So let's see if we can open it and look inside. That's lovely. So this comprises, oh wow, there's loads of, at the end there's loads of concept art and things. That's really cool. It comprises the first story. So this one, and also the sequel as well, Saving Time, which I've been waiting for ever since the first one came out, and I've known it's been in the works. So it was about 15 years ago, maybe a little bit less than that, and it's finally here. So that's really great. So that's just a little unboxing video of this awesome book that I cannot wait to get into. I'm going to reread the first story as well before reading the second one. I'm a comic artist as well, and I have made some comics. I've linked them in the description below. Denna's Day Out is free to read on my website or Webtoons. The Weird World of Wilfred Weed is available to purchase as part of a couple of volumes of Aces Weekly, which is an online comics magazine. I have got a video coming talking about Wilfred Weed specifically, and there is already a video about Denna's Day Out, so please do look for that. I've got my Instagram in the link below as well, and also a link to Mike Kunkel's website. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.